I've set up a Google form you can use for making appointments for progress overview meetings. It removes the appointment slots as they're taken, so you won't get double booked. To access this, go to Google Forms, open up the template gallery here at the top, and here is the form. The form that pupils see looks like this, with some instructions at the top, a box for their name, and a drop-down menu showing all the remaining appointment slots, which go from 4:30 down to 7 o'clock initially, with a little gap in the middle, and there's a submit button here at the bottom. As you open the form, the first thing you have to do is save a copy of this, give it your own name and the name of the year group. This will save in your Google Drive space. This will mean that you don't get confused between different versions of the form that you're using for different progress overview meetings. You'll see that the whole form is editable, including the instructions and title at the top, and when you want to have your appointments, these can be removed or edited, including the position of any gaps within the evening. There's one technical thing you have to do to get this to work. Click on the Configure button and then choice Eliminator. This is what removes the possibility of double booking. Click on Configure and choose to run this after closing down this pop-up message on appointment times by checking this box. This will take a couple of seconds, and when it stops saying creating here, it's done. So we can close this, and now we can send the form to our classes. Clicking on send. The email addresses come from Outlook. Type in the class name, expand the email list, select all, and then copy and paste, Control C, Control V, and we can customize this email further if we want, include the form in the email and send to our class. I'll cancel here as it's only an example. Here is a form which I've used for real with my Year 11s, and in the Responses tab we can see who's replied and who hasn't yet. We can send them a reminder email, and if we click on the spreadsheet icon in the Responses tab, this will give us our appointment sheet. We'll probably want to sort the spreadsheet on appointment time, highlight the columns, data, sort range, tell it that there is a header row, and pick appointment time, and then sort. And we have here the completed sheet, and if we want to come back to our form later, we will find it saved within Google Drive and Google Forms. Hope you found this useful. Please get back to me with any queries.